There is a sizable Nanakpanthi population residing in the towns of Mardan and Mingora, who may not be following the outward symbols of the Sikh faith, but are in spirit tuned with the teachings of the Sikh scripture. Today we are at the Panchayati Gurdwara at Mardan. We were on our way to Mingora and we stopped at this city primarily because pre-partition this was a very important city where there used to be a large Sikh population, and there used to be a historical Gurdwara by the name of Bhai Karam Singh's Gurdwara in his memory. But the community migrated from here to Delhi and they made a place out there. But our purpose of stopping here in this place was that this is a functional Gurdwara, and there are about close to 50-55 families, about 300 people in total. It's a small community, but they are practicing their faith with full freedom. At the historical Gurdwara at Hoti Mardan, Bhai Karam Singh Gurdwara, the very interesting thing about this place is that post-partition, this place had been deserted. Right now there is a sizable community of the Sikhs in Mardan, and the good thing is that they've been able to revive this place. So what we see out here is the old pillars, the old structure where the Granth Sahib would be kept has been maintained the way it is, and on top of that they put up a new structure. So this is a fine example of the community now reviving their footprints. We are at the city of Mardan, Hoti Mardan, and this is the place in the outskirts where Bhai Karam Singh had spent a considerable time doing, in memory of remembrance of God, he had spent a lot of time. Now this place was a Gurdwara made in his memory. It was constructed based on the dates that we read on the outside in 1938, but Bhai Karam Singh was living in here much before that. Bhai Karam Singh was a soldier in the British Army, and he basically came to this place and he spent most of his time. Later on the community had built a Gurdwara here. The writings of the Granth Sahib are still visible on top and also on the outside. But these are the last remains of the Gurdwara of Bhai Karam Singh. We are in Mingora in the Swat district of Pakistan. The purpose of coming here is to interact and see the Sikh community thriving in the region. The community has a pretty healthy living with the local Muslim population What they said is that in the times of happiness and death, the communities interact with each other. There are a lot of doctors here, and there are a lot of well-educated people. So I think the communities are doing pretty well. They are very self-sufficient, though they are a small number, only about 70 homes. But from the customary practices, from the point of view of being able to protect the Sikh value systems, reading of the scripture, the Guru Granth Sahib, they have ensured that within the community they are actually imparting the knowledge of training to the next generation.
मैं मछली कैसे